but the principles of when you're building a team, it boils down to, hiring characteristics. Like, what are we looking for? You want to always keep it simple. What are you looking for? We're looking for people that's teachable. I mean, they have a student mentality. You know what I'm saying? And that's not always easy, versus, hey, are you looking for just regular talent? Someone that's in shape, they got a good look. Good-looking people make more money. Even if they're just, dumb as nails sometimes. They might drive in because they have an attractive look. Sometimes that's a model, but it doesn't really last that long. But what you really want to look for, okay, if you're not just hiring trainers, sometimes trainers or people that have been in the industry for a while, you want to evaluate them a little bit stronger because they may come in with some conflict. They may come in with a conflict of interest, which could be a cancer to what you're building. So you really want to evaluate. It's probably one of the most challenging things you'll do is hiring. I don't know anyone who mastered it, right? But it's important they're teachable, they're coachable. Secondly, are they passionate? Meaning, do they love to help people? Do they love to help people, like a hospitality kind of mentality? It's big to just know that training is the easy part. We want to add in the wellness part, and the wellness part is really caring. That you can't fake that. All right, and lastly, are they money motivated? It's imperative that it goes in that order. So teachable, passionate, and money motivated. Money motivated from the standpoint that, hey, they're high achievers. They're high achievers. And, they want more. They don't have an employee mindset. Some people will come in with an employee mindset. And those can be broken because a lot of times that comes from nurture. Not that it's always a bad thing. You want people that's going to show up every day. So teachable, passionate, and money motivated. That's what we're looking for. That's what you're looking for. I hope that makes sense. Okay, and we want to recruit the best people. And that's the challenge. Like it's imperative that the purpose and the vision is there. That the leader, everything starts at the top. It starts at the top. As the leader goes, the company flows. Okay, so again, recruit the best people. You want to have human capital. Like people are your number one asset. If it's just you, which is fine right now, okay, I totally get that as well. But if it starts just you and it stays just you for multiple years, your vision is not big enough. A vision involves people. So you want to, you want to have that human capital. You want to always keep your eyes out. You want to train your eye to always be looking. This is a $1 trillion industry. People want to help people, even if they don't know they do yet. They want to help people. If somebody's a bartender and they make good drinks and they pride themselves on serving people, they can be a personal trainer. I'm telling you, it's not the person who goes to the gym every day and work out. Yeah, they may know the machines and know the gym. That doesn't make them a great trainer. It doesn't make them a person that cares about people. They care about themselves, which is not bad, but that's not the component that you're going to hire people on. So human capital, when you're team building, you want to train your eye and look for people because once you have the process and the systems down, now it's just a matter of plug and play. And then secondly, work ethic. You can't fake that either. You want to have an ethic to come to work, not just to get a check, not just to show up once in a while. You got to bring it. You can't beat hard work. You can't fake that. Okay. 3, team player. That's probably one of the most challenging components there. And it'll be challenging for you as a team leader, to be able to share and trust that via the system, it comes right back around. That's just the flow of it. So, in your culture, being able to share, you want to have a selfless culture. That's what turns a culture on fire, is your ability to be able to share. It starts at the top. Okay? Lastly will be duplication. Paying it forward. That's the root of scaling. When you can duplicate, that means that you can gauge the metrics. So when I say gauge the metrics, do you know what that means? Or okay, so yeah, maybe you do definitely. If you know what gauging the metrics means, it's just you basically have a predictable result based on this action. You can predict the result is going to be this. Okay, that's metrics. It's numbers, and that's all based off.
Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?